In this video, I am going to show you how to share a Spotify playlist with family or member or friends. It is a great way to connect over shared musical interests. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First, launch the Spotify app on your smartphone or tablet. Find the playlist you want to share by browsing your library or using the search function. Once you're viewing the playlist, look for the three dots icon, which is typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the three dots to open a menu with various options. Then select Share from this list. This will open a new set of sharing options. From the share options, choose Copy Playlist Link. Open your messaging app of choice and start a new message to the family member or friend you wish to send it to them. Paste the link of the Spotify playlist you copied previously and send it. Once the recipient receives the message with the playlist link, they can tap on it and then access directly to the playlist. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.